Glen here, back in Hartford, Wisconsin. Actually parked right by the Auto Museum. But check that video out too, out on a walk, the Hartford Auto Museum. Anyway, we're here in Hartford to see the 4th of July parade. In July of 1776, the Declaration of Independence was signed, granting us our independence from the rule of Great Britain. Anyway, July 4th, we celebrate that time in history. It was, you know, when our country became independent, we were our own thing after that, but it also became a time when we celebrate being with loved ones, family, and friends, and most importantly, to honor those who served in every war since then, that people that gave their lives to make sure that we're free, ensuring our freedom and our independence here in the United States. So Hartford's having a parade to celebrate that as well, and I'm all excited to see it. Even though I just lost my sunglasses, I'm kind of irritated about that, but who cares? It's a parade. We're gonna have a good time, so let's go. There's a lot of people here today. A Statue of Liberty. Kids on a tractor. Oh, it's for the dentist's office. That's awful. The Historical Society. They're all old school and shit.
I'll give it to Jess. She'll eat it.
A popsicle?
Yeah.
We can just throw it away. I got tons of them at home. I don't want it. Yeah. It's for the Lutheran Church. You now go to worship Jesus on a foam castle on the back of a truck. If Jesus was here, he would drive a Chevy Z71 Silverado. It's a pig.
You can tell it's big. Look at his legs.
Pig. It's a Hartford Oriole. There's a huge bee right there. Holy crap. Is this the Boy Scouts? It's the Boy Scouts. Oh, that sweet Pontiac. Connor, I think I got a picture of you with that Pontiac the other day. This can be the whole video. It's a sweet fucking Pontiac. He looks evil. It's Pudgy's food truck. Oh man, it's a Buick. Look at that big old sausage guy or some shit. Look at that.
What are you?
What the fuck is that? He almost looks like the Pope in some way.
Why is everyone skipping us today?
The Hartford Players? Is that for the Little Mermaid or some shit? Yeah, it is for the Little Mermaid. Look at that. That guy's not from the Little Mermaid. Maybe he's one of the supporting characters. And that must be the star of the show that's playing at the Shower Center for the Little Mermaid. Ariel looks underage. Hopefully her boyfriend over there is, you know, same age. That's a guy in a giraffe suit or some shit. Look at that. Oh, you see the devil up on the truck? Hartford Community Service. Bam! What's up? Satan's grilling a giraffe or some shit. Oh, look at that. I'm surprised nobody has a problem with that. With how offended people get nowadays. And those two look like they're very happy to be out here. Titan reloading. Hey, I wonder if Michael's up there. I think I'll say hi to Michael. I think he's up there. Mike!
Oh my gosh!
Stephanie, hi.
What are you doing, bud?
Oh, you just hugged my camera. I saw your race car at the racetrack at Slinger the other night.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
We wanted them to be in the parade, but they would have to be trailered because they're not set up to like drive this slow. They would blow their engines if they tried. And then we didn't get enough spots in the parade.
Hey Josh, you know who was the driver of your car?
My dad.
Really?
Oh no,
My
not
dad's-
the race car.
My dad's cousin Gary.
Oh, nice.
Gary Wentz.
Awesome. That's awesome. Is he the green and black car?
Yep.
Nice.
I was like, yeah.
That's the new one we started sponsoring.
Time we police trailer him through.
The four-wheeler pulling that little thing, a little rice grinder, I'd believe it. Oh, it's a McCormick Farmall. My dad loves those things. Tractors, as far as the eye can see. Tractors. We're pretty much reaching the end of the parade here.
How many did you get?
I think this is pretty much the end of the parade here. The 4th of July parade was pretty brief, but there's other things going on in Hartford later tonight, which I'm gonna record. So, yeah. Yeah, it was pretty hot out earlier. They had some wrestling. I don't know if they're wrestling anymore. I don't think they are, but we went home for a while just because it was really, really hot outside and my son didn't feel like being out here anymore. So now we're back. We're by the Hartford pool area type deal.
No, it's cool outside.
Now it's cool outside. In about an hour, the fireworks out here are going to start, so I'm going to film some fireworks. I'm going to go look around and see what's happening out here, too, because it seems like there's a lot of activity out here in this Lincoln Hartford Park type deal by the school and whatnot. Let's go look around. There's a giant Miller Lite can over there.
No, just the music.
30 people camping out like. Looks like a seal. I thought that was wasn't that the dolphin from the other end of the pool area?
If you remember,
I'm pretty sure that's the same one though, isn't it, or no?
it looks like the dolphin. The dolphin had like a shark fin that was big, and he wasn't in the same pose as that.
Oh, we were discussing what happened to the dolphin on the other end of the aquatic center here, because they redid all this like a few years ago. They took away a lot of the things that were originally here. Yeah, and he found the playground. You gonna go play? I mean, what? You gonna check out the other playground too? After this one? Kid. Now, people always know me for just like staying in and I'm not very social or whatever. I stay home, do a lot of video editing for you guys to watch. Play a lot of video games, whatever, but I still like to be out and about and do shit. I love coming to stuff like this and being social once in a while. I run into a lot of people that I wouldn't normally get to see on an average basis. And in the meantime, my boy found some girls to play with. I always love coming to this, like that period of time like right before the fireworks hit. It's just a really nice atmosphere. All the families are out enjoying each other's company and stuff. Usually watch my kid play for a long time before it all goes down.
What's up, kids?
Yeah, they're starting. Here. Do you like the fireworks?
Yeah.
Yeah. Whoa, that's cool. Yeah. Ouch, fuck, mosquito just bit me on the hand. Ah. Yeah, there we go. That's epic. I love that. That was the 2017 4th of July celebration for Hartford, Wisconsin. Everyone, I hope you enjoyed. I wish I could have got the wrestling on there, but it just didn't really work out though. It was too hot. My son was dehydrated and overheated, didn't feel like it. Maybe next year. But thanks for watching, everyone. Click subscribe, get Glenified and all that good shit, and I'll see you next time.